If you trade with me in my Discord, or you're a member of copyandwin.com, then you already know that a lot of our trades, some of our most profitable trades, well, we make them in the extended hours. What are extended hours? The pre-market before 9:30 a.m. or after the stock market closes at 4 p.m. Extended hours allow you to trade with other traders just like you, but there's a danger. So it's very important that you always use limit orders when trading in the extended hours. Why? Because the spreads can be huge between the bid and the ask. In other words, what somebody's willing to pay versus what somebody's willing to sell to you for. And while trading big cap stocks during regular market hours, you can do a market order and get filled instantly, no problem, you'll get a fair price. If you ever tried to just buy at the market in the extended hours, you'll get burned. Because people set their limit orders so that they can make big profits or buy really cheap. So if you're following my wonderful and winning trades at copyandwin.com in my Discord, be sure that when you trade the extended hours that you carefully use limit orders. And here's how you do it. Simply look at the last trade price and set your first limit order for way below what you think a fair price is. And if that doesn't get filled, just continue to enter new orders, increasing your price very slightly each time until you get filled. Then you'll know you paid the best, most fair price in the extended hours. Now, last reminder, once you get filled at that best price that you found by using limit orders, be sure you go back and cancel all of your other lower limit orders so that you don't overextend yourself in that one trade. Hope this helpful tip continues to let you win. We win every day at copyandwin.com. By the way, smash the like button. I need more subscribers on this YouTube channel. Love you.